Currently, police officers in Edmonton don't have a fast and affordable solution for first response dispatch. As it stands right now, police cars and fire trucks are used as first response vehicles. These vehicles aim to get to scenes in under 7 minutes for priority level 1 calls and only achieve this 80% of the time. These 7 minutes are crucial in high-stress situations, and police need a quick and affordable way to get to scenes faster. We believe the solution to this is police service drones.
Our proposed solution decreases response times rapidly, as drones are on average 20 times faster than cars. The drones would be equipped with camera and microphones, which record events, removing error from officer recollection. Machine learning, in cooperation with officers and dispatch, allows for officers to have essential information of the scene before they arrive. Police officers are expected to respond properly to anything they face. Realistically, they cannot be trained for everything. This technology will allow for field professionals to work alongside officers without having to physically be there. They would relay information gathered from the drones alongside their expertise to an officer, aiding them in the resolution of an incident they would normally not be trained for. An example of this is quick response to a mental health crisis with the help of mental health professionals.
Drones can also be expanded upon with very minimal advances in technology. For example, if the drones were slightly larger, they could carry more medical supplies such as AEDs or Narcan kits. They could also have larger batteries which would allow them to stay in the air for extended operations such as police chases. Drones could also be automated using AI to automatically fly to emergencies as soon as the calls come in. Recently, police just purchased a helicopter for over $6 million, with hundreds being spent on every flight. A whole system of drones could provide many of the same services helicopters provide, as well as many new features for a small fraction of the cost.
In short, drones increase public safety because of their versatility, cost, and most importantly, potential. In our current world, they may be just simply a camera with 4 propellers, but in 10 years, they could be key police partners helping chase down suspects. Do you want to be the future of keeping Edmonton's people safe, or be stuck in the past as our streets progressively become a scarier and more dangerous place? Right now, we believe that the Edmonton Police Force is only reaching a fraction of its potential. With the adaptation of drones, it will fill in the natural holes that come with being human. The image of Edmonton and the safety of its citizens will only increase as we become a trailblazer in the developed world. We hope you consider our proposal for improving public safety and helping us make Edmonton a safer place. Thank you for your time and have an excellent day.